Order.
Sabihan na natin.
Hi guys, today is the first day of the month which is May na, and katapos ko lang gumawa ng coffee which is Vietnamese coffee, and ito na yung parang magiging everyday drink ko bukod sa green tea because it's been like 2 months since naglas ako ng coffee intake, and I kinda miss coffee. Kaya ayan, ay bumili ako ng Vietnam beans. And bumili rin ako ng fin filter. So yeah. And I'm still on the process like perfecting the drink kasi for kailan ba ako nag-start gumawa? Nung April 29 ako nag-start gumawa ng Vietnamese coffee, and I'm still in the process of finding a good condensed milk para sa Vietnamese coffee ko, and parang paubos na rin yung condensed milk ko. And kasi kahapon, nagkita-kita kami ng friends ko. Magko-coffee sana kami kaso parang biglang nagtambay na lang kami. So, gumawa na lang ako ng coffee for them, which is nga yung Vietnamese coffee. So, yun lang naman yung parang update today. And kaninang around 11 a.m. is may errands yung mom ko, and sinamahan ko lang siya. And doon na rin kami nag-lunch. And around 2 p.m. kami nakauwi. And it's already 4:12 p.m. And later, I plan to run and walk. So, this also gonna be my fuel for my run. So, yeah, yun lang. And di ako makapaniwala na month of May na. And tapos sobrang init na. Like, din sa Tagalog talaga yung sobrang yung init. So, my plans for the first day of the month is to close my rings, run 5,000 meters, and then walk, and then work out, and then catch up with my journal and read the book kasi I really want to finish reading my book, the book na that I've been reading. Kasi it's been December, January, February, March, April. Fucking 6 months para matapos ko yung book. So, tatapusin ko na siya first week of this month. And nanghiram kasi ako ng book sa friend ko para yun naman yung basahin ko. So, yeah, ayun lang. I'm gonna see you later kasi I'm gonna film my day.
Drama nga kayo dyan. sa inyo. Bakla naman kami sa inyo kanina. Di tayo kita doon. Tiara. Aga malas nito ah. Balik kita ng kape mo, kaba.
Lasang soya. Ay, soy milk.
Kaya ba nagsasoy milk?
Sakto lang. Tikman mo, Phil. Ikaw ang taste.
So hi guys, this is a Vietnamese coffee. I just added condensed milk and then the Vietnamese coffee. And I kinda want to add some honey while it's hot.
Wait lang, tayo mo si John.
Ano yung likod mo? Ayun.
Ay, nabamukha ko.
Higit niya huwag niya.
Bago namumula ako. Sorry mo. Water lang to.
No!
Bakit?